Hey guys, welcome to Module 12 of the Money Spot program on how to build a six-figure product business. In this module, we're going to talk about scents as a way to build connectivity and branding. Apparently, scent is one of the strongest senses and it evokes emotions more than any other sense. Some brands have used scents in a way you wouldn't even imagine. For example, Emirates uses a particular scent when you go into their airlines to evoke feelings of, I'm going on holiday, I'm gonna have fun. And that might be one of the reasons they build such a loyal customer base. They use multiple ways of connecting with their customer, with scent being one of them. I, in my case, use a sort of orangey scent for my hair product line. And when I described it to my manufacturer, I said, when the person smells this, I want them to imagine they're showering in an orchard and they can smell all that fruit around them. And you know what? When people smelt it, they always mentioned the scent as something that they enjoyed. And even if you're not producing something that naturally has a scent in it, when you're sending packaging, you can include something that smells good and will last the few days it will take to get to the customer as a way of connecting to the brand. When they order from you, they'll be thinking, I want to smell that scent I get when I order something from you, basically. So enjoy. And if you are liking what you're watching, like, subscribe. But importantly, in these COVID-19 times where thousands of people have lost their jobs or some income, share it with someone that might benefit, someone that's trying to start a business or grow a business. And I'll catch you in the next module. Welcome to Module 12 of the Money Spot program. Branding, Advanced Concepts, Scent. What is a brand scent? It's a distinctive smell that becomes associated with your brand through repeated usage. Why is a brand scent essential? Firstly, neuromarketing studies have found that 75% of emotions are triggered by smell. Next, studies by the Sense of Smell Institute indicate that our recollection of visual images falls to 50% after just 3 months, but even after a whole year, we can recall smells with 65% accuracy. Finally, Rockefeller University found that in the short term, we remember 1% of what we touch, 2% of what we hear, 5% of what we see, 15% of what we taste, and 35% of what we smell. This is over double our recollection of taste. When should you use your scent? You can use a brand scent wherever possible. Include strips of your scent in packaging. You can use it as a product scent, say in a perfume, a house freshener, or even something like shampoo, conditioner, lotion, anything. You can use a diffuser in your shop or office just prior to a meeting. You can buy diffusers for shops that you want to sell your products as long as they agree to diffuse your brand scent only. And of course, whenever people ask, oh my God, I love that smell. What is it? That's a chance for them to plug your product. If you go to your training manual, exercise 1 asks you to list more places where you can use your brand scent. How can you get a scent made for you? Get a company that specializes in scent to make you one. You can start by asking on the LinkedIn group, Private Label and Contract Manufacturing. It's currently a closed group, so you need to gain access to the group first. Next, you can Google scent manufacturers or fragrance maker or any other relevant keywords in order to find a fragrance company. Then you can send a full RFP or just an email to any scent company that you find, telling them exactly the type of scent that you would like to represent your brand, and they'll send you samples. Sometimes you can even get free samples. When you commission your scent, describe what feelings you want the scent to evoke. What memories or images do you want the scent to revive? Outline your scent in the training manual. In conclusion, your brand scent makes your brand much more memorable. It is important. Use your scent wherever it's possible in order to build a more intimate relationship with your fans and customers. I hope you enjoyed this module, and I'll see you in Module 13. Enjoy! Hey, if you got this far, you must have enjoyed what you watched. Like, subscribe, and share it with one of your friends that might be trying to start a business or trying to grow a business. Enjoy, and I hope I see you soon.